Hi guys, welcome to the Savvy Money Show with me, your host Sean. Now, in case you didn't realise, last weekend I did a couple of live streams, and I'm thinking of doing it on a weekly basis. Let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. Anyway, let's get into the show. We're going to start with a couple of companies that I've been looking at. First one is CRNT. Now, I think it's a company which has potential. I haven't done my full analysis yet. And STPK, I think it's one that people are staying away because it's had a run up, but I think it's one that can still go a bit further, and if it dips I will be going into. This is one I'm looking into. I'm going to be careful. I'm going to do a lot of due diligence. Why? Because this is like this is a rare earth minerals type, and it's at the moment its liabilities are more than its assets. So whenever it's like that, I'm going to be very wary. Now it has 10 sites at the moment, with another 30 under consideration, but of course it's not going to pick up all of those 30. I suggest you have a look at the website, and as I said, the balance sheet isn't the best. It's losing money, and we can only hope it starts gaining. Now, good thing about this is the US is looking, even under a Biden rule, US is looking to bring a lot of this rare earth minerals and likes of Tsla more in the US. And I don't think it's just the US. People are not looking at the big picture. If China has all the rare earth minerals, what happens if the US faces off against them? Like so the UK and Europe will side with the US against China. China cuts off rare earth minerals, and they need to get them somewhere. If America says, you side with us, don't worry, we'll provide you with your minerals. But you know, they need companies like this. The next one, this one is one that is cloud commerce. I spoke about it before. We've had the run-ups, it's come back down. Now you'll see that 2019 the current assets 1.7 million and total assets 2.7 million against liabilities 7.6 million, total asset liabilities 7.8 million. Now we go to recent current assets 655 versus 1.5 million, which doesn't sound good, but the liabilities is 6 million. Now that isn't good either, but the thing about this is it's going into the AI. It's been improving its contracts. It's going into AI, and this is one of those that it's had a hammer drop, and you know, it's hit the bottom 4 times. I think one of 2 things is going to happen. It's either going to just go sideways, or in my opinion only, a catalyst is going to come along and knock it up. Now for me, because of the financials, I'm not going to go into it today. I'm going to, because it could just drain it. It might run out of money before it goes up. I'm going to wait until it hits like 0.0850 and then run it. Get an alert for that. And you see there how it's automating a lot of stuff. This is one that I am going to go into, and it's ideal power. Now it's patented bi-directional power switches, which are highly efficient. Most of these switches around the area are 97% effective at most, and this one is 99% effective, which means 2 to 3% more effective than competitors. Will make someone who has solar panels or EV chargers save them a lot of energy, also increase the charging time, and it's but it also has patented transistor semiconductor technology, and I do like it, not just because it's in the EV market, in the solar market, but again, put things in perspective. Assets 3.3 million to 5.2 million, and liabilities 1.3 million to 685,000, and you see total liabilities 1.2 million 580,000. So they brought down the liabilities to near enough nothing. You know, they've taken off a lot of the debt, and I do think this is a company that could be prime for takeover. You know, it's a $41.5 million company, and you've got 20% by insiders, and you've got 16% by institutions. Yeah, I think it's just one that if you can hold it, you would, you know, you wouldn't do bad. Hi guys, why not hit that lovely like button and comment in the box below? It really does help with the YouTube algorithm and getting the video out to more people. While you're at it, why not hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. And have a look at smashing that bell notification. You'll be notified when I upload a new video. Now, if you're looking for a free trading platform on which to trade your stocks and shares, why not check out the links in the description below. You get a free share worth up to £200 for signing up and depositing a small amount. There's links for Stake, Trading 212 and Freetrade. There's also links to other freebies, as well as videos you may have missed, and my Trading 212 pies, which I rebalance regularly. So why not check them out?